After having ingested source data, you will harmonize data by mapping your source data to the entities you've defined in support of your data service. To do this, you will add mapping steps to your data pipeline in the Data Hub Quick Start UI. Mapping steps allow you to easily map multiple disparate sources of raw data to your data service entity model. Let's take a deeper look at the mapping step. When you configure the mapping step, you select the source collection displayed on the left and the target entity displayed on the right. In this example, the source record on the left displays a customer record from an online order system used in support of a major B2B parts company. For our data service, we want to harmonize customer records from various ordering system databases to create a 360-degree view of our customers to help reduce call center wait times and improve customer service. Our customer entity definition will be used by our data service to provide a unified view of customers to our call center reps. We are now mapping the data from the source systems to our target customer entity. The target entity on the right lists entity attributes and the corresponding expression on source attributes. The properties from our source document appear in the dropdown, and we can select which one we want to map to our target with a simple click. Rationalizing dates and other values is simple as well. The mapping step provides a rich library of pre-built functions to help harmonize source data. If we have dates from an Oracle system, a SQL Server system, and MySQL, we'll want to rationalize these into a common format for faceted navigation, and so we can perform date math in our reporting later. The mapping step provides functions to parse and format dates, combine source fields, and much more. The result of expressions on source attributes can be verified by clicking on the test button. When clicked, the mapping step will apply transformations on the source customer record and display the target customer record for validation. If we need to do a lookup, it's as simple as using the memory lookup function. Here we know gender data is coming into the system coded as 1s and 2s, but we want to rationalize these to human-readable terms of male and female. The mapping step makes it fast and easy for you to harmonize the data you need as you need it without the complex ETL. Along with pre-built functions and path expressions, you can also define your own custom functions as and if needed. We've added this remove hyphens functions to our capabilities, and we see it listed alongside our built-ins, so we have it at the ready as we need it. And in addition to using pre-built functions, you can also manually enter path expressions to transform source attributes. Here we're applying a path expression to a nested address subentity to ensure all values are mapped accordingly. Once confident of your mapping, you can run the mapping step to harmonize. Upon completion of this step, the source data from this system will be harmonized to create our customer entities. We can go back at any time to update our entity model and our mappings to incrementally enrich and append data in the Data Hub as we add more data from additional sources in support of our customer 360-degree view. The harmonization process tracks provenance and lineage for improved data governance. Anyone who queries and discovers these harmonized source documents will be able to confidently answer the questions: where did this data come from? What expressions were applied to harmonize this record, and which user applied the harmonization and when? And it's that simple. You define your model, map your sources to the model, then query your data. The MarkLogic Data Hub does the heavy lifting of data transformation for you so you can spend your time with data in use, analyzing your data, instead of wrangling the data. The mapping step provides a powerful tool for data curation.